vanish in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from.
Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And this morning I am going to fix some egg salad, and I wanted to bring y'all along. I think I've got two on here. They're pretty much, I always do it pretty much the same way, but I had these eggs and I've still got 9 left that were back from December, and I wanted to use them before they do go bad, and so I put them in this bowl was filled up, and I put them in here to make sure that they were all good. And if you don't know that test or whatever, you fill your bowl up with water, and then you put your eggs in there, and if they float, then that means that they are not good. If they sink like all these have, they're good. If they float, they're not good. And that's how you test your eggs. So I'm going to put all my eggs in this basket, and then I'm going to put this water into my Ninja Foodi and put the basket in my Ninja Foodi, and I'll bring you back when I get to that point. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I've got all the eggs in here. Still didn't even count how many it was. And I've got like a cup of that water. I do it with the cup. You really, with just eggs in here like this, you really only have to do like a half, 3/4 of a cup. But I usually always do a cup. And so I've got them in the basket, and you can get this basket. I've got a link for this basket down below my video. And I do what's called the 5-5-5 method. If you've got an Instant Pot or you have the Ninja Foodi, making eggs is the easiest thing you will ever do in either your Ninja Foodi or your Instant Pot. It's just amazing. But I do the 5-5-5 method. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put the lid on here, lock it, make sure that, all right, there it goes. All right, make sure that it's on sealing, not venting, but sealing. And then, because I can't get y'all down to see, I'm going to turn it on, then I'm going to go to pressure, and I'm going to take it down to 5 minutes. And then once those 5 minutes are over, I'll let it sit in here for 5 minutes, and then I'll put it in a bowl of water for 5 minutes. Put all of them in a bowl of water for 5 minutes, and then I'll show you how easy you can peel your eggs when you cook them in either the Ninja Foodi or your Instant Pot. It is just, it's the best thing that's been invented since peanut butter. All right, so I'll bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so my eggs have cooked for 5 minutes. I let them sit for 5 minutes. Now, I can just take the basket and sit it down in here with this ice water. And that's what I like about it. Now, I got it. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now. Why not pass the time with a fun podcast? Try asking me to play the 60-second science podcast.
I don't know what she said, something about try asking me. Okay, so now these are going to sit in here for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how easy that it is to peel these eggs. So I'll bring you back when those 5 minutes are up. Okay, all right, so I'm going to put them in this pink bowl right here. And as you can see, I haven't taken down, it's January 12th, and I haven't taken down my Christmas decorations, but we're doing that today. Lori, I got a new nurse, y'all. she's older. It's the first older nurse that I've had. All my nurses have been young, and I should have gotten an older nurse years ago. Lori knows what to do. I mean, she's a go-getter. I'm just really, really impressed with her. But anyway, now I'm going to do these eggs. And so all I do is I take them and I go around like this on the table, and then your peeling just comes right off. It just peels off, as you can see. And then I rinse it off, and then I put it over in the bowl. But this is the easiest way to do your deviled eggs. Or look at that. See, it just falls off. I should raise y'all up some so you can see as I do it. And it just comes right off. You do not have to. And if you've got an Instant Pot or a Ninja Foodi, watch. See, it peels off. All right, and so then I put them over in the bowl, and then once I get these peeled, I'll bring you back, and we're gonna mash them up and make the egg salad. All right, so I'll bring you back. Okay, so I'm back. All right, so I got all these peeled. It's 12 eggs in here. So what I do is I take my potato masher, and I used to have strength, y'all, but I don't anymore. Oh my gosh. Well, usually I take my potato masher. They're mashing up a little bit. It might take me a while, but I do this. I lost my strength and everything when I was sick, I'm telling you. And I don't like it mashed up. I like chunks in my egg salad. I'll probably say potato salad sometime today. Oh, okay. All right, I'm getting it, y'all. All right, now let me see. No, the whites still need to be mashed down more. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to have my YouTube channel. It's just really, I don't know. I mean, just like this, I'm just really weak. And yes, I have a nurse, but I want to ask her to do that. She's here to help me do the other things, and I like to cook for my nurse, so hopefully, I don't know, that might still be too big. All right, so what I do is I'm going to put about that's about a half a cup, and then I'm going to put about a fourth of a cup, so that's like 3/4 of a cup. And let's mix this all up and see if that's enough. So this is in 12 eggs. I put about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and it looks like that might be enough by the time I get everything else in here. Yeah, I think it is. All right, so let me shake my mustard so that runny stuff won't come out. All right, now I like right much mustard, so I would say a about a tablespoon and a half of mustard. And then my pickle relish, about a third of a cup of pickle relish. All right. It might be too runny. Please no. All right, now I gotta get the sugar. I put a little bit of sugar in here, just maybe about a tablespoon of sugar in here. And then vinegar, I'm not going to put very much in it, about 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Okay. I might have added too much vinegar. Go on there, lid. Alright. Now let me stir all of this up. Let me get a spoon out. A spoon. And it really is too runny. So maybe just a half a cup of mayonnaise, because it is really kind of runny. It'll be all right on the sandwiches, but I really don't like it that runny. Especially, this is how I make deviled eggs, so if it had been like this, all right, let me taste this and see if it's right. All right. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh wow. Just the right amount of the stuff. Even though it is too much mayonnaise, even if you cut down on the mayonnaise, it would still taste amazing. Yep, that is good, y'all. All right, I'm gonna fix me egg salad sandwich, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all. All right, I just made a half a sandwich with this, and it's gonna go everywhere. I know it is. Oh gosh. That is so good. It is a little sweet. It's sweeter than normal. So maybe put 2 teaspoons of sugar in it instead of a whole tablespoon, unless you like it sweet. Now I like this. To me it's amazing, but it is rather sweet. So all right, y'all. This is something quick and easy that you can fix yourself for lunch or even dinner if you're alone. I got it all over my fingers. And it will be great. I mean, it is runnier than it normally is as well. So I don't know. I was winging it there, and I thought that I had it right, and I had too much mayonnaise in it. So I will adjust the amounts and put it in the description box below. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, to my Instagram, and also there's links below to different things that I use in my kitchen or products that retailers have sent me to do reviews on for y'all that I've already done, but they are linked below, and some of them have a discount code that you can use, and it's some really good products below. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.